Hey guys, this is Dwayne, W4FDT Amateur Radio. So hey, it's the day after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys was able to spend it with someone important to you. I hope you were able to spend some time reflecting on the things that you give thanks for in your life. So if you're a subscriber of the channel, you're probably noticing that I've not put out a video in about a month. I took a small break from the YouTube community. I wanted to get back to the essentials of this channel. When I first started this channel, what I wanted you guys to see from the channel was the fact that you don't need fancy gear, you don't need expensive gear, you don't need flashy video editing or anything like that, you don't need sponsors to have a YouTube channel, you just need a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. I was more worried about competing with these bigger channels, putting out content, and trying to, be like everybody else. And I realized that's not why I started this, that's not what you guys are expecting out of this channel. So today, we're going to get back to that. I've set up here at Chickamauga Battlefield. I've got a lot of antennas in my bag of tricks, but today, we're going to give the Buddistick Pro some love. I've got that set up. I've got it guide to the ground. We've got a small wind today. I don't want it to tip over. I've run a power cord down to the ground with a stake. That thing's not going anywhere. So if you'll stick around, we'll get started. Is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Calling CQ, parks on the air, standing by.
November Charlie 5 Kilo.
November Charlie 5 Kilo, you're 5'9" into park 0716.
Roger on the 0716. You're also 5'9" in Arkansas. Over.
I copy 5'9" Arkansas. Thanks for the contact, friend. 7-3. QRZ parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. CQ, CQ, CQ POTA, CQ parks on the air. CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Kilo 4 Fox Lima Lima.
Kilo 4 Fox Lima Lima, you're 5'9" into park 0716.
What you're looking for again?
Park 0716, Northwest Georgia.
QSL located here in Key Largo, Florida, over.
I copy Key Largo, Florida. What's my signal report?
You're 5'9".
I copy 5'9". Thanks for the contact, friend. 7-3. QRZ parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. CQ, 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 CQ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. CQ POTA. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Quebec Juliet uniform.
Kilo India 5 Quebec Juliet uniform. You're also 5'9" at park 0716, Northwest Georgia.
You're 5'7" up here into Arkansas this afternoon. QSL.
I copy 5'7" Arkansas. Thanks for the contact, friend. Hope you have a great day. 7-3. QRZ parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Kilo India 5 Sierra Papa Delta.
Kilo India 5 Sierra Papa Delta. You're 5'9" and park 0716, Northwest Georgia.
Fantastic. You're 5'9" over here in Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas.
I copy 5'9" Houston, Texas, friend. Thanks for the contact. 7-3.
73. Have a good one. Kilo Charlie 9er Papa X-Ray Mike. You're 5'9" in Old Saybrook, Connecticut.
Kilo Charlie 9 Papa X-Ray Mike. You're also 5'9" here in Northwest Georgia, park 0716.
Gotcha, 0716. Enjoy parks on the air, 7-3.
All right, thanks for the patience, friend. 7-3. QRZ parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
November Mike.
Okay, November Mike, park to park.
November Mike 7 Whiskey, park to park.
November Mike 7 Whiskey. You're 5'9" into park 0716, Northwest Georgia.
You are 5'7" into Kilo 6183 in northern Wyoming.
I copy Kilo 6183, copy 5'7". I appreciate the park to park, friend. Hope you have a great activation.
You as well, 7-3.
7-3, friend. KRZ parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Kilowatt Foxtrot 0 Bravo Romeo.
Okay, Kilo Foxtrot station.
Thank you. Kilowatt Foxtrot 0 Bravo Whiskey Romeo. I have you 5-9 into Oscar Kilo.
Copy. Kilo Foxtrot 0 Bravo Whiskey Romeo. You're also 5'9" plus here in Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
QSL, thanks for the activation, 7-3.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the contact. 7-3. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo 5 Romeo Charlie Sierra.
5 Romeo Charlie Sierra. Kilowatt 5 Romeo Charlie Sierra. Is that correct?
Kilo India 5 Romeo Charlie Sierra.
India 5. Kilowatt India 5 Romeo Charlie Sierra. You're 5'9" into Park 0716 Northwest Georgia.
Roger, you two are 5'9" into Central Texas. Appreciate the contact.
Copy. Thanks for the contact. 7-3. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Whiskey Delta 5 Alpha Foxtrot Radio.
Whiskey Delta 5 Alpha Foxtrot Radio. You're 5'9" plus also Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
QSL, you're 5'9", 59 New Mexico.
Copy. Thanks for the contact. CQ Parks in the air. CQ Parks in the air. This is Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango calling CQ Parks in the air.
November Kilo 5 Juliet.
November Kilo 5 Juliet. You're 5'9" plus in Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
Dwayne, you are a 5'9" into South Texas Gulf Coast. Good to talk to you again. NK5J.
I appreciate the contact, friend. 7-3. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo Charlie 2 Fox Hotel Yankee.
Kilo Charlie 2 Fox Hotel Yankee. You're also 5'9" in Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
Yeah, right. Well, you just dropped down pretty far, probably about a 4x4 into New York. The name is John, 73.
Okay, thanks for the contact, John. Yeah, the band keeps fading out and getting better fading out. I'm not sure what's going on today, but appreciate you hanging in there. Appreciate the contact. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo Bravo 0 Mexico Papa Victor.
Kilo Bravo 0 Mexico Papa Victor. You're 5'9" plus here in Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
QSL Dwayne, you're 5'9" over in Minnesota too. Thank you. 7-3.
Appreciate the contact, friend. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Alpha Echo 4 Alpha Golf.
Alpha Echo 4 Alpha Golf. You're also 5'9" in Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
QSL, you're 5'9" into Florida.
I appreciate the contact in the Florida, friend. Hope you have a great afternoon. 7-3. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo November 6 Kilo India.
Kilo November 6 Kilo India. You're 5'9" in Northwest Georgia Park 0716.
QSL, you're 5'5" California.
Copy 55 California. Thanks for the contact, friend. 7-3. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo Charlie 5 Charlie Yankee Park to Park.
Kilo Charlie 5 Charlie Yankee. You're 5'9" into Park 0716 Northwest Georgia.
Thank you. You're 5'9" into Park Kilo 0493. Kilo 0493. QSL.
Copy 0493. Thanks for the Park to Park contact. Hope you have a great activation, friend. 7-3.
7-3. Good luck.
Well, that's going to wrap it up today. I got 131 of you in the log. I appreciate everybody that was out there today. The Buddistick Pro performed like it should and had a great time. If you're not part of the Parks on the Air program, join the website, parksonair.com. Join the Facebook group. If you have any questions, there's a lot of people in the Facebook group that will be able to help you. We'd love to have you out here with us activating these parks. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, if you click the notification bell, anytime I put out a video, you'll be notified. If you like the content, click the thumbs up button. Also, I read all the comments in the video, so if there's something you don't like about the activation or something you wanted to ask about, the comment section is the place to do it. So, hey, until next time, I hope you stay safe, I hope you stay well, and I hope to catch you down the log. 7-3.